Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Typescript. Today we are going to learn which VS Code extensions we have to use into our development of the Typescript. So let's get started. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel. And if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. First extension, that is ESLint. Okay, so this is very popular package that we have to install. ESLint. Okay, so it's basically configured with the new ECMAScript. So whenever there is an error or there is a type mismatching, so it will help you to show you the error. So very important, you have to install this one. Next extension that you have to install, that is material icon theme. So I will show you what exactly it is. So here you can see that you can see 7.17.2 million material icon theme. So it's such kind of icons, file icons you want, so you can install this one if you want this kind of icons. Okay, so next one that you have to install, that is path intelligence, very important. So I will show you like path intelligence, path intelligence, this extension. Okay, path intelligence visual code plugin that auto completes file names. So this is very important, like imports and something. So you can use that one if you're typing the import, so automatically give you the full path, right? So path intelligence, very important. Next we have the prettier. So if you want to format the code, so you need to use the prettier to format the code of any of the JavaScript file or the TS file. So this is very important. So I have already installed this package, right? So these extensions that we have to install for the VS Code extensions to format your code, for to intelligence the path or linting your code, right? So for the development of your TypeScript, so these extensions are very important. Any doubt, any query in that, let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.